Hello children of class 4. So today we will continue your English grammar. The topic is what? Number. Nouns, number. That is what? Singular and plural. So we have seen so many rules, right? When you make from singular to plural. Now, you can open your book, your grammar book, to page 26. There are some nouns which remains the same for singular as well as for plural. Which are these nouns? Like sheep, then aircraft, ice, I-C-E, ice. Okay? So, let's see which are those words. And also there are some nouns where the inside vowels are changed, like foot. Okay, foot is singular. Plural will be what? Feet. Man, one single. Okay, man, singular. Plural will be what? Men. Mouse as what? Singular, one. Plural is what? Mice. There are some nouns which are used in plural form. So, some nouns are used in plural form. What are those? Like scissors, spectacles, okay, spectacles, cattle. The cattle is what? Group. So, and also there are some nouns which are always used in singular form. Like what? Furniture, news. Okay, mathematics. Okay, so now I'm going to write it on the board. Kindly see, and then we will read from your book as well. So children, there are some nouns which remains the same in both singular and plural. And what are those? Sheep, okay, deer, fish, and ice. And fish, when do we write fishes? When there are variety of fish, okay, then we say fishes. Otherwise we call it as, even in quantity, when we have more than 2, 3, we say that fish for the plural. Okay, now next, some plural nouns are formed by making changes in the inside vowel. Which are those? Now, examples: foot, that is what? Singular. And plural will be what? Feet. So, in C, double O is changed into what? Double E, feet. Tooth, teeth. Loves, lice. Man, men. Next is, some nouns are always used in the plural form. Like what? Scissors. We don't say scissor. You must have seen what? Pear. Okay. So that is scissors. Now spectacles. Cattle is what? We don't say one. It's in a group. So that is what? Cattle. Group of animals. Now some nouns which remains the same for singular as well as for plural. I have told you this, that we write fishes when we mean a variety of fish. For example, the pond has many fishes. Okay. Now there are some nouns where, as I told you, what? The inside vowel change, or en is added, ren is added. Look at here. Some nouns form their plurals in an irregular manner, right? Examples are what? Child, children. Ox, oxen. So en is added to the plural, okay? Mouse, mice. Man, men. Woman, women. Foot, feet. tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. As I told you, some nouns are always used in the plural form. Scissors, trousers, pair of trousers, a pair of scissors, spectacles, socks. Always used in a plural form. And there are some nouns which are always used in the singular form. What are those? Furniture, news, mathematics. Okay, fine. So we have finished the chapter, that is singular and plural. Now what we will do is, we will do the exercise. On page 27 you will see A. Now circle the singular nouns and underline the plural nouns. So you have to circle the singular ones. Now, 2 boys were playing in the park. So here, which one is singular? Park. So what you are supposed to do? 1 or 2 I'll just explain, then you will do the homework. Park is what? Park is singular. So what we will do, we'll circle it, right? And in this sentence, plural is which one? Boys. So what we will do for plural? We will underline it, right? Girls of a school are participating in the competition. So where singular nouns and plural nouns. So you will do as instructed here, you will do accordingly, only that you have to underline and circle this part. In the book itself you will do it, okay? Number 3, many sheep are grazing in the field. So here sheep, singular and plural, but it is mentioned here what? Many sheep are. So this is what? Plural noun. So kindly read the sentence carefully and understand it. Okay? And then either you circle it or underline the nouns. Next, B. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of nouns. I have bought 2 dash from the bookstore. So 2 in number. Which one it will be? Choose the correct one. Next, my mother is using a dash to cut the vegetables. Using a is what? Singular. So which one it will be? Knife or knives? Number 3. The tailor has kept the dash on the table. Just now I have told you what? There are some nouns which are used in plural. So scissor or scissors. Number 4. The 2 dash are playing in the garden. So kindly read and get the hint from the sentence and then use singular or plural form. Right? And this continues in the next page, that is page 28. So kindly do this too as homework. So children, you will do this exercise on page 27, A and B. And then A and B you can do it in your book itself. So A and B, page 27. Okay. So till we meet again, take care of your health, children. Go through whatever we have done, singular and plural, and in our next videos, in my next video, we will do some written exercise where we can recall whatever we have done and the different rules, okay, for singular and plural. So take care. Bye children.